Now we have with us the Tecno Phantom Ultimate, a roll-up device. So when the screen is rolled up, it's 6.55 inches in size, so it looks like a traditional smartphone. But when you press the corresponding button, it's going to unroll the screen and you get a total size of 7.11 inches. So you have a lot more space simply by pressing a button. Obviously, if you get to notice that area of the roll-up, but the remarkable thing here is that the interface is able to adapt without any problem. Obviously, developers must optimize their applications as well as the operating system so that all this adapts. It should be noted that it takes 1.3 seconds to unwind and roll up, so the action is very fast, and honestly, it is a prototype that catches my attention. Let's see if this year there are other manufacturers who are willing to launch a device with these features, since this device is not yet on sale. It is only a concept. And notice how on the back cover they have decided to put a cover on this screen that is rolled up so that it also reveals a little more information like basic notifications. So the design looks attractive. We would also have to know the durability of these motors, but for now what remains is to enjoy this concept and see how this space on the back cover is also used. Obviously, if we wanted a device that when unrolled would be even larger, even more use could be made of the space left rolled up in the back cover. So let me know in the comments what you think of this Tecno concept, because I loved it. And to say goodbye to this video, let's revisit this little robot dog that we loved. I hope you liked this content. If you liked it, you know you can tell us about it, and we'll see you next time.